I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making blueberry jam. This is a delicious recipe that only needs 2 ingredients. You can put it on your cake, your yogurt, your bread, or just plain as it is. It's very, very delicious. So let's start. First thing we need are of course blueberries. I use frozen ones, but you also can use fresh ones if you want. Second thing you're gonna do is weigh out your sugar. I use sugar made for making jam. It contains pectin. This is a binding agent that helps the jam thicken up more. I put the blueberries in a pan over medium heat. Add the sugar. And let it all come to a simmer. In the meantime, I got 2 jars filled with boiling water to sterilize the jars. Let the mixture cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. It depends how thick you want your jam. When the jam is ready, transfer it into the jar. And let it cool. And there you go, your homemade blueberry jam. And that's it. Thanks for watching, enjoy baking and cooking, and I see you next time at JorDinner.